This is where we're going to be creating the base. I put some gravel underneath. It's going to go high as that board at the back and there's a board at the front. And I'm using the quick solution of basically using the post concrete and of course the metal mesh rods. It's going to go underneath to make it more solid. The size is a bit awkward, but hopefully we can get this done. Let's see how well it works. So the wide angle view, this area that I'm opening up for maybe a small tiny garage sort of like rooms of anything, outdoor room, they're all going to go soon, and open this area for a room maybe, or even a barbecue area. But this is the quickest way that I could think of making a solid surface, and hopefully it should work. I'm not sure, but let's see how it goes. Just laid the bars on, and now there's going to be another layer going on top to hold it all together, hopefully. There you go. The quick and easy way to do concrete surface. It's going to be all together about 75 mil, I would say. Alright, so it took me 42 bags to lay this area, 2.4 by 2.4 roughly. And so all you do is just water it all down. And you can see where you need more post concrete to go onto. You can see the water piling up in places, like in puddle. Well, it's done now. So this is the hard surface that I wanted. Now I can step on it for the first time, and it's quite solid. It's really solid everywhere. No cracks appearing so far. And just to see the spirit level, you can see it, it's looking not bad at all. See if I was to move it down to here, still not bad. Let's do on this side. This is literally doing it by eye level instead of trying to get it. Oh, this is slightly wrong here. Look, let's see. It's not bad, it's not bad. I mean, I could go over with a cement finish to make it look nice, but I need it for that one to do. Can't get it perfect in some ways. Yep, this is it, all done. I'm going to take the sides off in a day or two, and let's see how it is. Now just doing the finishing touches everywhere and it'll be done.